Hi guys, how are you? I am Ranga from Info Channel. Today is my video about the average salary for this job in Gulf region. Employer may offer additional benefits and allowances such as housing and transportation bonuses which are not included in this figure. Video source is independent research, pay scale survey and the data provided by recruitment agency. Salary may differ from this figure because it affects through various things such as experience, organization size, and many factors.